Imagine this. Your test or survey ends, and instead of leaving participants a generic end message, you send them exactly where you want them to go. A thank you page, your sign-up form, or even a scheduling link. And while participants see those pages, in the background you can get their details sent directly into your CRM. That's the power of redirect URLs with dynamic parameters in UXArmy. It's all about saving you time, keeping your data in one place, and giving participants a seamless experience. Here's how to set it up. First, create your test. This works with usability testing, surveys, card sorting, and tree testing. After you are done with the task creation, click on the Participants tab and set the number of responses for your test or survey. To set up redirect URLs, click Set Criteria. In the pop-up window, you'll also see an option to collect participants' demographic info. For this example, I'll leave it as default. Next, set up your redirect URLs. There are 3 possible scenarios: when the test is completed, when the quota is full, or when participants are disqualified. Here, I'll redirect users to sign up for a UXArmy account after completing the test. Then, click Save. Finally, launch your test or survey to make it active. To make the redirect URLs dynamic, add parameters to your links. They let you pass along personal identifiers like user ID, email, or country, so your systems know exactly who that participant is. Follow this guide. Start with a question mark. Then, write the parameters. Parameter values can be static, like location, or dynamic, like participant ID. Each additional parameter is separated by an ampersand, and the name and value are connected by an equal sign. Here is an example of a full URL that redirects to your sign-up page with dynamic parameters tracking the user ID and country. On redirection, it will automatically swap user ID and country with the participant's actual details. That means your thank you page can greet them by name, your CRM can log their info instantly, or your scheduling tool can pre-fill their data. When you're done, relaunch your test or survey to activate the updated links. Now, you will need to distribute the test or survey to your participants. Copy the participant URL from the Participants tab. Step 2. Modify the participant URL by appending dynamic parameters such as user ID and country in the query string. Then, share the updated test URL with your participant through your preferred channels, such as email, CRM, panel provider, or messaging platforms. Repeat this for each participant. That's how you can use redirect URLs with dynamic parameters in UXArmy to make every participant interaction count. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or need support, contact us at hi@uxarmy.com.